How to change your age in the TikTok. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can change your age in the TikTok. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your TikTok, and from here you have to go into your profile. Now once you are in here, you have to click on these three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner and go into the settings and the privacy. Now if you go in the account, as you can see that there is no option to change the age, and if you go back and go in the privacy, as you can see that there is also no option. So what you have to do is simply go back and you have to scroll down, and here is the option of the report a problem. You have to click on it. Now you have to go in the topics and select the option of the account and profile, and from here you have to select the option of the editing profile and go in the other. Now once you are in here, you have to go in the need more help, and here you have to report a problem, in which you have to add your feedback or add all of your information that you need to update your birthday in your profile, and your birth date which you are entered is incorrect, and you have to also add your username and your email address, and after that you just have to submit your report, and you can also add the screenshot of your profile. So once you add it, you just have to wait for the TikTok to respond to your report, because this is the only way that you can change your age in the TikTok. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.